Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Today the 1st of March, and we will continue to discuss the situation on the euro currency. Well, yesterday we said that market is approaching to the significant area of resistance, that is the monthly nearest fib resistance 135.05 and also the weekly compliance resistance 135.05, 136.24 approximately. Well, and in general, if you have read our analysis on our forum, long-term analysis, you should have known that we said that currently on the monthly time frame the overall bias holds bearish, and retracement even to the 135-137 area will not erase this sentiment on the market, because our long-term expectation on the euro currency is 116 approximately, and this comes from the situation on the dollar index. But speaking about the current situation on the daily, we also said that since market is approaching to a significant area of resistance, this could lead to some choppy price action, some pullbacks, since market will have to struggle with this resistance to continue move to the upside. And you can see that yes, the market has saw some significant plunge to the downside to the level that we have discussed as the potential area to watch for buy signals and continue move if market will continue move to the upside. Why this area is significant? Because this is first of all, this is the first swing to the upside. This is B point from that ABCD pattern. Okay, market has hit, by the way, 618 target, stands at some consolidation, but now market moved below the weekly pivot point and has reached this level. Also, since weekly trend holds bullish, and currently you can see that daily trend also holds bullish, market now stands at not at overbought, oversold condition, so market should not show a significant downward retracement, because nothing in fact holds market in the continued move to the upside. So in that circumstances, the quite logical seems the retracement to the nearest fib support, and that fib support stands right here, 132.92. It's right here. 3/8 support from that swing, from that low to that high. Also, take a look that just below this level stands 132.65. This line dash line is weekly pivot support 1, and this small line, as you can see, this gold line, is the monthly pivot point for the March. So that will be the really significant area of support, 132.65, 132.92. So if we suggest that this is retracement on the bull trend on the daily time frame, usually it holds by the weekly pivot support 1. So you can see how it has happened. So market accelerates, when it starts retracement moving below pivot support 1 holds it, market accelerates further. So the same has happened here. Market holds above the weekly support in the beginning of the week, jump from it, and continue move to the upside. So it's a normal price action when there's some retracements on the daily time frame that comes usually should hold by the weekly pivot support 1. So that area is significant, because if market will break it to the downside, there are a couple of events will happen simultaneously. First of all, the trend on the daily time frame will shift to the bearish side. If market will close below that level, it will mean that market will proceed lower at least to this confluence support 131.59, 131.71. That's the first. The second is moving below the monthly pivot point, and weekly pivot support 1 will tell us that there's something wrong with this bullish environment, because that is not quite normal that market just break it to the downside both and shift monthly sentiment on the bearish side and continue move to the downside. That will tell us that probably the overall bullish context now is under question if market will pass through that area of support. So if you trade on the weekly daily basis, then that level to watch for to potential enter on the long side of the market, since you could place the relatively tight stop and your target will be the continuation to the upside, at least to the 136.80 area. Well, if you trade on the daily hourly basis, so this, if trend will shift to the bearish side, then your context will shift also to the bearish side, and you will not be able to trade to open on the long side of the market. So that's why this particular level to watch for, and I think that market will reach it. So on the 4-hour time frame, what do we have? Trend holds bearish. You can see that stop grabbers that we have discussed yesterday, and I said that I do not very like that kind of stop grabbers, but you can see that side by side this another stop grabber. Market has attempted to continue move to the upside, then close below it, below this red line, showing the trend shifting failure. That the minimum target of the stop grabber pattern is taken out of previous lows. So that loss, the market even proceed lower. So now we have this pattern A, B, C top. Market accelerates right from to the 100% even to the 127 extension without any retracement, any respect of the intermediate targets of 618, 100%. This kind of thrust tells that market has some short-term momentum to the downside, and the next target of this move is 1618 extension 132.91. You could see that this target stands in agreement with the daily fib support that we have just discussed, 132.92. So that will be the next target that market should reach, maybe even today. So watch for that level closely if you would like to enter on the long side of the market. Maybe market will show here, will form some reversal bullish pattern, maybe butterfly buy or something that could let you to judge about the will move to the upside happen or not. On the hourly time frame, the situation that we have discussed yesterday has come to reality. So we said, based on this pattern, that was the worrying pattern for the upward continuation. And we said that if we'll take a look at this A, B, C bottom pattern, we will see that 100% extension stands below the previous swing high. In that case, this top probably will hold, because the market has no reason to continue move above it. So if market will continue and hold above this high, then probably it will continue further. If market will not do this and show a move to the downside, then probably this will be the godless triple to sell, and you could try to sell in that area, or wait when the completing of that pattern and when the trend shift on the bearish side, and use nearest retracement, this one, or that one, to enter on the short side of the market, because you can see during these pullbacks market has held bearish trend. So that has happened. Market has completed this ABCD pattern and pips to pips 134.87, 1 pip lower than this high 134.88. It's extremely precise price action. So then turns to the plunge down. Here we have nice thrust to the downside on the hourly time frame. That could be in fact the context for the bread and butter sell pattern, but not quite, because you can see that market now already stands some significant bars above this green line, this 3x3 moving average. So I probably better treat this situation just as a retracement after the solid thrust. So you can see that level. It will be interesting if you would like to trade intraday with the attempt to continue move to the downside, to enter on the short side of the market with the target around 132.90, because this is the 3/8 resistance of the thrusting move, weekly pivot point, and also the previous swing high, or sorry, swing low. So that is the interesting level to make the scalp trade entering some right here. The target is around 132.90. So you can see that as a conclusion, we might say that in general, in the nearest hours, we expect the continuation move to the 132.90. And a bit longer term, depending on how market will behave around that area, will tell us will market proceed lower or not. From the perspective of the bullish environment, this is not welcome, that market the breakout of that area, because this will be not quite logical if bullish scenario is strong, and if the bulls prefer to see the market will find support here and continue move to the upside. If market will break this area, this will be quite another tune. In this case, we could expect move at least to the daily confluence support around 131.70, 131.60 area. It's right here. So watch out for this level closely. If you're a scalp trader, you could trade different scenarios. First of all, this could be this attempt to sell in from that area with the target is around 132.90. The second scenario, watch for that level. Market could form here some kind of the reversal pattern, because this is really significant area of support. Market probably will show some respect of that level to the upside. Ultimately, this even could become the reversal point to the upside, so market could start to continuation to the upside from that level. I do not know precisely, but that level is significant, and that level is also significant on the hourly time frame.